Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Amazon application on a mobile device. In order to download the Amazon application on your preferred mobile device, it's real easy. It is an American subscription video on demand, over-the-top streaming, and rental service of Amazon. Let's start the video. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open up your App Store or your Play Store. Click over here to bring up the search bar and type in Amazon Prime Video and hit the search. You can see the Amazon application over here. Just click on Install. It might take a while to install, so wait for it. See, the application is already installed. Just click on Open. Now, you need to enter your mobile number or your email. Due to privacy, I cannot show you guys this interface. Now, you can enjoy watching videos. That's much for today. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for review and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.